Hi second year, today we're going to be looking at the signs of a chemical reaction, that a chemical reaction has actually taken place. So I've got two liquids to put together here. In this bottle I've got hydrochloric acid and in this one I've got sodium hydroxide. So I'm just going to put about the same amount into each of my test tubes. And I'm going to take the temperature of these. Now, I don't think you'll be able to see the temperature scale on the thermometer. However, at the moment this is sitting at about 20 degrees. And if I do the same with the other liquid, yeah, 20 degrees there as well. I'm just going to put my goggles back on before I mix these together. So mixing one into the other and just leaving it for a few seconds, and then I'm going to observe the temperature again. And the temperature is already up to 25 here on the thermometer, and it's still rising. And the test tube actually feels warm now as well, just to the touch. So that is one sign of a chemical reaction. A temperature change happens. It needn't be that the temperature goes up. Sometimes the temperature may go down. And in this experiment, I've got another two liquids to mix together here. I've got lead nitrate in this bottle, and I'm going to put that straight into the test tube. And then I'm also going to add in this liquid here, which is potassium iodide, and we'll observe what happens. So as you can see, there's an immediate colour change. It's going from two clear liquids to a bright yellow liquid. And I did one of these earlier on, and I've left it to sit for a while. And hopefully you can see that there's also a solid formed at the bottom of the test tube. It's starting to separate, so we're getting more clear liquid at the top, so we've got a solid. So that's another two signs of a chemical reaction. A solid forming, the proper word in chemistry for that is a precipitate, and also a colour change is a good sign of a chemical reaction. And finally, for the signs of a chemical reaction, I have got hydrochloric acid here again. It's a different bottle of hydrochloric acid. And I've also got magnesium ribbon. Magnesium's a metal, and we use it in chemistry in granule form and ribbon form. So today I'm going to drop a piece of magnesium ribbon into the hydrochloric acid. And I hope that you can see those bubbles and the fizzing that's happening there. The bubbles are a gas being given off, and that's the final sign of a chemical reaction. So we have bubbles of gas being given off, we have a colour change, we have a temperature change, and we have a solid forming. And that's our four signs that a chemical reaction has happened.